Alright, this is attempt number 3 to try to get this video recorded. I've just gotten rid of 8 gigs of things off of my phone, so hopefully it's going to let me do this. So this is Al's Produce Stand on page 10, example 2, and it says Al's Produce Stand sells 6 ears of corn for $1.50, and Barbara's Produce Stand sells 13 ears of corn for $3.12. Write 2 equations, one for each produce stand, that model the relationship between the ears of corn and the cost, and then use those equations to help you fill in the tables. So for Al's equation here, I know it needs to be in the form y equals kx, and we're going to need to figure out what k is equal to. So pause your video and go ahead and calculate. If you know that 6 ears of corn are $1.50, go ahead and calculate what your k would be. What's your constant of proportionality? And then start it back up to see if you're right. So I have that k would be equal to $1.50 divided by 6. This is where I got cut off last time. $1.50 divided by 6 is 0.25, which would be 25 cents per ear of corn. So I then know that y would be equal to 0.25 times x. And here in the table, you can see that we have the ears of corn and the cost. And I just need to change those to variables that are going to make more sense to the problem. So I'm going to use E for the ears of corn and C for the cost. And we just have to figure out which one, which way do we write our equation? Is it 25 cents that's getting multiplied by the ears of corn to get the cost, or is it the 25 cents getting multiplied by this to get the ears? And I think you'll be able to figure out that if you take 0.25 times the ears, that's giving you the cost of $1.50. So it's 0.25 times the ears, and think about it, it's 25 cents per ear, so you want 25 cents to be with ears, and then that would be equal to the C, which is the cost. So that's your equation for that. And then for Barbara over here, Barbara is 13 ears of corn for $3.12. So I'll go ahead, pause the video, and calculate what the constant of proportionality would be, and then start it back up to see if you're right. Well, hopefully you took $3.12 and divided that by 13 ears of corn, which is, $3.12 divided by 13 ears of corn comes out to 0.24, which would be 24 cents per ear of corn. So we know that K is equal to 0.24. So at this point, pause your video and go ahead through your process of creating the equation for Barbara, just like we had just done for Al. So I know that my equation has to be in the form y equals kx. So y would be equal to whatever k is, and that's 0.24, 24 cents, times the x values. And then just like we did with Al, the ears are going to be the E, and the cost is going to be C. And if you just use Al's as a model here, you know that cost is equal to, the total cost is equal to however much each ear costs times the number of ears. So over here it would be the same idea. The cost is equal to 24 cents times however many ears. And I'm just going to stop the video here because I'm at like 4 minutes, so I want to get that uploaded.